tubakira program yito mwabazi yo kunkaburijo tuba twine program zitari zimwe na zimwe kandi tuba tugamba nshonga zitari zimwe na zimwe obwiro bo mwihanga turiyo mbintu binge tukurabamo kino bwiro bwa coronavirus konke cyangwa umunonga tuyo tutekanisiza karuru hano yo mu studio za TV West nibanyeta Vincent Mujurus omwabazi yo kunyina abagenyi be bitari mwe na mwe n'abakuru kugoma kitongore cya KRC kandi twine na returning officer aha district yambara twenda kugamba aha voter civic education ningashi aha binde kwate na karuru okwabantu ikababurira bakutera karuru shebe kwetebekaniza karuru na nebindi byo bikwata season eje turumu ebyo nabigendere kugira ngo tubase kugira karuru karungi munonga nawe hano yo mu studio ndi Vincent Mujurus kandi twine mu returning officer aha district yambara ahabwa electoral commission omwamiratif ngonzi sebo twakwakira
ocho mu test of program
we bari kwija we bari kubanitwe kandi ukunayira bwana tushobora habintu bingi munonga ikwate na karuru abo kuba nakwa n'ikitongore ikitebekana soburo mwihango electoral commission twino mwami muzinduki Patrick unakora nka deputy executive director ahabo ikitongore kibakweta KRC kuruga kabarore sebo twakwakira twino homwami ni gaba H Ezra program manager wa KRC twakwakira sebo na ngoko tureba of course turiyo mask echo kinaka kwate na coronavirus abo kuba indwara gikiroho kandi none yongero mwihanga bitu ngoko twabagambe kugira ngo erizoba ntwenda kuganira hanshonga zitari zimwe na zimwe aha bwa season eje turiyo mu bururu kandi tukahwire na omwami ngonzi twenda kuganira aha karuru omwabazi yoko akarura kakareno katebekana bwo mu bwiro bukikine coronavirus imwe nkaba electoral commission ekitongore kitebekana sobururu ni mu guiding amutabantu kugira ngo turabire mu karura kandi turiko observinga standard operating procedures
wacha mu test wa program webale kibuze iki itonga electoral commission ntujja gukora akaruru twondere kintu kiba mu rujungu kiba kweta SOPs standard operating procedures ezatekerweho Ministry of Health ekyo kubanza ntujja kwondera buli muntu wena rukujja mu office zete electoral commission sahaze ntula program ikwetebwa nominations abantu bajja kwakira forms za nominations buli muntu wena rukujja office are supposed kujja ajwire face mask buli office yona electoral commission eroho ekikare kyo kunabira mu ngaro sabuni then twine na sanitizer buli office yona then tuongera ku encouraging abantu bona bakubabezire kuraba keeping mu rujungu bakweta social distancing koleka kwibira ngana haishi sorry about this mask so Minister of Health ekateka heavy as encourage kwetwa standard operating procedures atenkete electoral commission ntuziteka mu mukora twizo umuntu na kumara gatera kujya kutera karuru ndikore cyona atongire bikorege on this note ngenda kugambira abakuturora boha tubere no bururu wa parties different parties bakweta party primaries selecting aba flankers babo nka electoral commission tusemeriwe kurorengera rya parties against conducting mu bururu bwazo nyana mkaini murora abantu bagenda mu groups imijuro y'abantu they are not observing social distancing abantu bagenda tubene face masks abantu bagenda bakunaba mu ngaro so as electoral commission ekintu tukijumira ntuperera kibere kirungi but ngo batugenda mu karuru kenyine aka Uganda Independent Electoral Commission tugenda ku insisting apeka mwamani kurara standard operating procedures eje mkore yatekerwa Ministry of Health mutajondera nora nkeko kutuhanu twarekeje kuroraho ntubaza still tunakwa kutuye face masks ekichimu
Wabari mnonga ubunu bamweta omwamiratifu ngonzi kan ni returning officer ahabwe kitongore kibakweta electoral commission ahabwa district yambara kiyanagamba no kugira ngo tushemere kwebwa okuteekateka ngu hati ekiturumu n'ekyakaruru okashangwa endwara ehuireho endwara ekiroho kandi omu byagamba byona waza kugira obuherezo bwatunga kuruga omu kitongole ky'electoral commission omuri byona ebi bakukora nooteeka okuba noogenza ebiragiro ebyatiibwa ekitongole ky'ebyamagara twine abakuru kuruga omu kitongole kye kya KRC omwami muzinduke turi omu bwire obu turiyo nituza omu karuru kandi kurugiirira ekitongole kya KRC nk'oku kitwire nikikora kitwire nikyegyesa abantu ebintu bingi munonga omu bwire nk'obu obu turi omu karuru hariho ebintu bingi munonga eby'abantu barikukora nk'enshobi okashanga byaguma nibigumizamu kandi ninyesiga ngu turi omu kintu ekikwatire n'okwegyesa abantu oku bakwasa kuteera kare KRC eine package ki ahabwa abantu kugira ngo omu bwire obu turimu babase kumanya ekyokukora omu kuteera kare okungi
webale sebo nka KRC kitongole kitali kya gavumenti emirimo yetukukora nitukwataraho ebintu bya gavumenti erisapose kukora okimanyire kurungi ngu electoral commission niyo kujunanizibwa okwegesa abantu abugambo yokukoma n'okukomesa barakomeraha kurora abetekanize ite nk'ekitongole kitali kya gavumenti kusikire byabaireho omwaka gwa 2016 abantu bakaba behandikisize kukoma bakaba 1,15 kyonka hakamalira nahakoma abantu almost mwena kandi egi ntugambire low voter tana abokuba obukabuli kuchweka kankagana busatu ikimanyisa ngu abantu abasigaire kakuba bayizira bakakoma result zikaba nizikorake nizihinduka this time ningira tukumishije kutugambira abantu bali around 18 ningira around 18 there so abantu obakwija omubwingi bakakolenchwa mu yabo nibaba nibakoma omwebembezi owabayingi obakwetaga chonga hati haizire kizibu cha corona covid emyaka endi yona kwegesa kubaire kugenda kuba andengo za communities omuntu ngukwaratera akaruru kurora akaruru tukafu chonka 2016 tukatunga obururu obukwingura emitwaro 40 obwafuye kandi obo bukaba buhinguza 4%. So nikamanyisaka ngo akaruru akafuire kakeja kali candidate wako wakasata kaka abantu bono obukuteraniza obururu bwaba abebimbezi bona aba president kakaba nikabusinga so bokwija harengo rwa members of parliament LC5 ba councillors nano sanga invalid votes zikozireki ziri nyingi nikimanyisango abantu kwegesebwa kukaba kutaipa nabweke electoral commission ito utara ntukwataraho electoral commission ine kuba hentekanizo abokuba kwegesa kuona bagambere nokujja kuba ama TV kuije kuba radio cyonko ijuke ngo twina abantu bombyaro abayingi abandi nibenda kwegesebwa kusikira ballot paper nkokwe abokuba yo kutikinga no kutahiki nkumu ekyo kitakorwa kurungi ikimanyisa tulirekera kurora obururu obufwire kweyongera kukanya twanga twarora ebintu ebyabayireho kandi ebintu mu bintu mbirora mu primaries mbere abantu bakurwana abantu mbere bakukozesa sente bribery abantu bali mu line cyonka norora abantu nibabasente kandi ekintu kindi mu bwire bwekiro towards the elections candidates are moving around giving out money ebintu bino tibiri birungi abokuba nikiyoleka ngo omugaso gwokukoma guli abused Uganda kigumire muno omazire kukoma member wa parliament rundi president rundi council ngo hati takozere kurungi omwiheye it's very difficult to know what it happen cyoko mugiso goine sahazun nuko gamba emyaka 5 ubwerabe hoireho oye cyenchure kurungi muno orore ogu umwibembezi wabaire nakora akoze arata mu kuleta obuhereza hali abantu abamurikiro kandi no tukwidira ku bantu kwata nkaminzani rundi akasengiji kurora ogumwe bembeze mwesegwa aine kiroto wa mazima naye kamba naye gesa namobilizinga ebintu baraheka bigamba byo kusoma obujanjabi entasya mu maka amarwaro ebintu byona engudo akozereki ebigamba byamezi nebindi nabweki itu mukwegesa kwaitu ntulenga kwegesa abantu kumanya omugaso go kukoma kumanya abantu basomeye kukoma bata basemirire kukomoa abokuba electoral commission yebiso ebintu kutabigendamu neyentag eyoleke roadmap eyoleke polling station eyoleke abantu barakoma bata chonkito ntugenda deep kwegesa abantu abokuba omuntu bakomara kukoma naikara nabo kumara emyaka sekaguzo kiri ogo omuntu arasobora kuleta obuhereza oburaleta enkorakorano mu kichoka kyabo so tuine kwegesa okukwatagana qualities of a good leader abantu ntuboleka ngu member wa parliament asimire kukoraki councillor asimire kukoraki RC5 asimire kukoraki president asimire kukoraki nuko barani baja kuliriza ebiroto byabo rundi manifestos za different parties basobole okukora enchwamo yehikiri kandi ntulengaho kwegesa abantu kurora tebahondera enganda obuzale sente obunywani n'ebindi kyonka tugenzi twasanga ngu mu communities ezitukwiikaramu habukigambo ky'obutemara n'obunaku abebembezi bayingi muno baliyo nibarra habokusanga abantu nibabetaaga bahe sente za fees obwararwara amuha obujanjabi obwaraferwa agule coffin aije hargoto obwarakora obugenyi amuhe contribution so bino ebintu tusangire abantu nibabyejumbira muno kandi nibabyenda kusikira nkensikiro yokwera hakaruru twayengera twasanga ngu abebembezi kukira muno ba members of parliament obabeni ba accountability nosanga nibagamba nkoziriziba na yomba karatrini wale LC5 hamo na LC3 na bameyazi na abandi abokuba bobene resources a budget they control to be the one to deliver services chongo bokoro member of parliament wali suppose kukolebera giro akakora appropriation akasara mu budget ali suppose kukora oversight government programs akakora monitoring akakora lobbying hata nosanga nawe na arwana muno kurora ngo kintu kinyine cyasoba gukora abantu bakarora kandi ebintu ebindi bali suppose gukora abokuba babikora mu parliament abantu babulikiro tubakubiya appreciating so enyegese yenu ntujja kugumizamu kiro kino tujja kutandika hano akukingura ntekanize yenu chonka program ezindi zikuija ntujja kugenda harugiga harum hate kanka chokorora Latif na Jacob bindi na bagarukamu Uganda sazeni tuli under multi-party system of governance
yes
nchokorora parties ziri mu primaries kandi constitution ni hobugaba buli muntu kujja mu kitebeki chonka nja kusanga ngu ebitebe bino biri suppose no kutunga sente kuruga mu government biri suppose kutunga structures zabyo biri suppose kujja kwegesa abantu baitu no sanga ngu the freedom the space ya opposition kuija akikara ekasobora abantu ekabaza nabo kiberekizibu muno kandi electoral commission terugireyo kuija kukondemminga some of these concerns abokuba no sanga opposition obakuna charedi ne jakura bagitangira muza kwa appearing how are they going to send their message compete favorably when we are saying rallies to Kozereki to Stangir we are using the media but also we are concerned abantu bakirobwinga abine radio station na TVs iba abantu bali connected to the government kandi bali mu NRM party what is going to happen kakuba bagamba obwira buona tubuguzire Luni wa candidate wait. What's going to happen to the opposition? How are they going to rally? So in KRC, we are talking about free and fair elections. We are talking about space for everyone. We are talking about the election that is free from violence. Kugamba abantu tugende omusinge tutera akaruru tukome abebembezi abaturukwetaga tuijo mu bwingi habukuba obwarabo otayizire ogwo muntu wareje neja kutera akaruru kandi baleta humwebembezi waraba aido takwetaga.
Okay, wewe mnonga omwami Patrick Deputy Executive Director wa KRC twineho omwami Ezra twatwa kwakira obuno murundi maybe ahabwenki kiri important ahabwenki kiri ekintu kikuru munonga omuntu wa burijo ryo lyahansi kwija kwetabira omukabura akatuturiwe ntuzama nagoba buki
ekyo kubanza omuntu wa burijo kugira ngo yija kwetabira omukabura na aina obugani kandi aina obujunanizi. Constitution yetu ya Uganda nehereza buri muntu wena obugani bwo koraki bwo kutera akabu. So wazo mu constitution nka article 59 nehereza buri omwe a right to do what? To vote. So omuntu wagenda otatira akabu nchiba no wayekorera nkihari. So itwe obutukubantu turabamwe twegesa abantu bagambira bamanyirira obugabe bwabo kandi bakoreki babukozesa. Konkati ekyo kyonka article 38 nayo nebazaho issues to do with civic education. Ngu twina kuba ntureba ngu buri muntu wena yagira obugabe bwe kandi yabukozesa okuinfluencinga ebintu byona ebikwatagana n'obwebembezi bw'ihanga. So waba utajenzere ukatera kakaru no wachinjire mugisa nyingi konkate ekitoka na still unawaza mu article 1 negira ngo netuhereza amani gona ubwo kukozesa obushobozi bwitu okureba ngo twakoraki twatekaho oburemi obutushemereye. So iyo wagenda ukabyama abandi bakutera akaruru then ebintu bikashoba nyensa kare mu butine omuntu wo kubleminga kandi ekintu nyenda kucyongeraho nkugira nti ngo nawe nko kutwina amani gitu in fact na Patrick abe yakigambira nko kutwine amani nko ku constitution etihira amana nchetaga ngo twabantu za kuterera abebembezi bitu akaruru tuterera abebembezi aba barije bakabasa kutwara ki okutuyamba kuturetera ubuhereza obushemerire. Nyanda kugambira wazo nko mu byaro no shanga ngo abantu na hati bakinywa mizi agafi wazo mu byaro niho kugenda mu marwariro okashanga ngo no rugayo otina nangwa na kapana wazo mu byaro niho ragenda okashanga nge ntihande kafakari wazo mu byaro iyo rukushanga ngo abana bakuza yishomero batwekirwe mnonga barugira no mu mashomero na twaba tutaterira abebembezi abari abasikwija bakarwanirira obugabe bwitu ntuba turiyo ntweshishira abo kuba ebintu bikwatirine no kutwaza ebyentunguko mu misho ntuba twasha nk'abakoraki kababistamo. So first of all I want us to note ngo buri muntu wena no bujunanize kandi no bugabe. So buri muntu wena shemerire kuba natera akabu kandi eco mugase cyukugamo ngo notungo bwebembezi obushemerire obwo kutwaza nkahe omumisho. So abantu baba batakwenda kureba say for example kugira ngo enkutembi abana batakushoma amarwaro gatakora okubura ebyo kurya emibazo mu marwaro y'abantu kugira ngo bagira obwomezo obubonire nuko babase gukora endijo mirimo yo kubaretera entunguka. Then we need to do what twetaga ngo tugende obwira ko kwika tutera akabu konka nyenda kongeraho na n'ekindi moderator ekindi kinkongeraho nico kugira ngo of course twabaho umugisha kugira ngo twina electoral commission represented by administrative article 60 nebahereza original actually niye kuba creating as an institution kandi eshemerire kuba eri independent kandi eshemerire kuba eri nkare free kugira ngo hatazaho umupira gw'akaruru twagira ki
Referendum.
hati referee yaba atari fair no many times hina team eyakufavoringa kandi iyo team niyo kora ki niyo kusimba konka barorera ngo twina referee ari independent ari neutral omuntu wamuzanira kubi nakora ki namushara narishi omuntu yamuzanira kubi nabasa kumuha yellow card or even red card bakuha red card ntimayisa ngo wakora ki waruga so twaza kurebera habibihe nibibaho for example mu primary ezeze zebitebe zibiri zibaho habera harimo akavuyo kingi konka n'ibyo bitebe bibiri byina electoral commissions konka still tuturebere bakora ki bakugaba red card tuturebere bakugaba yellow card tuturebere bakusharira basamba kubi so habera harimo kaki kakavuyo so nkake yabasi itwe tugira ngo twina kwija tukahwera electoral commission kugira ngo yabasa kutwaza ubujinanzibwa bwayo umumisho konka kandi nabwo tuterera ngo murebe byona esigare eri independent aboka ekiragiro nikwe kudukora ki nikwe kigihayeti ngo esigare eri independent ejumire ebintu ebyo ebitashemerire kandi etwaza umumisho ebyebyo bintu ebikupromotinga democracy and multipartyism.
Okay, webale mnonga omwami Ezra program eji nakugira ngo sponsored by KRC nibo barukugeza bakureba ngo umunya Uganda wamanya ukosheme kuteza karuru kawe ukosheme kutwaza ukosheme kutera wamanya ubugabe bwawe kuko no manya ubugabe bwawe kuko bari batwegesa no ija kwetabira umutorana umwebembezi kandi kitari kutorana konga kwa kutorana n'umuntu ne credibility umwebembezi oshikire abaho utakutera karura bamwe tujyangwa akatutamakare hatisho njibanye kimanyisa ngo ubwire nkamasuko tukibaza kwejunda no mukono kora ibemberwa and that is very dangerous. Now hano ya studio tuyinema bakura abakandi batwegesa ahanshongezo n'ibindi byona twendagaruka ho mwamirative noreba NRM party primaries ezo turugire nangwa tukazurugire makishwa habiremo ibintu birufani ninyebuza imwenke electoral commission ine resources z'umurebire kugira ngo ngeze kuzavoidinga umukabura akakuzakora taho we are likely to see similar mistakes happening again.
What you know test this program in fact NRM primaries haberemo buyo bwingi yitonka electoral commission ko kumbagambirege bebe bintu twija kukiza kubaho for example nurura abantu engeri bekerenda Rwanda harimo n'abantu bakira kufa ikirungi abantu bafire bakutezengana umusayidi turikire bekinwa mutikira ikirungi. Then secondly tukwasa kujja polling station osanga abantu baleiningire maza kutera karuru no hebando ya sente natandika kugazira abantu sente kun TV ziriyaho kamera ziriyaho biro bino we have social media smartphones bantu bana bamba kuroreke kora tikikire. If it is electoral commission immediately logo muntu disqualifying. We cannot allow such tukwasa kukiriza kitu keki kugenda mu maiso nyona mukene mu bireba omuntu rujana bando ya sente a polling station otandika bira abantu sente inorebera kimwe becomes laughable kintu cyo kuseka. So electoral commission to elections nyingi ebyabante kembakora mu primaries entaro ovuyo kugaba sente kurwana. Then another thing tuli mu burwaire wa COVID-19 mbagambire tuli supposed to following standard operating procedures zatekerweho Ministry of Health but nureba abantu bokwekera mbaita polling station kavuyo omujurano bantu baingi kusai kujwara face masks omujurano there's no social distancing kwelezanga no distance ya 2 meters so itonka electoral commission ebyo bintu tena kuteka mu nkora kuza office zaitu ko kumbagambire twikiriza abantu bengi kujja mu ndigumu tuba controlling at least all babiri basatu. Then buli office yona heri umuntu era kutahamu are supposed kuna ngaro tukaboleza na sanitizer kore tunyinga rozi ya sanitizing. Then taro umuntu era kutisipa kujja office atadwire mask akakapoka face. So okugamba ebibere mu bululu bwa primary, it's not NRM yonka n'ebitebe ebindi ebibere na parte primaries, because there are mistakes nyingi na electoral commission twegera elections nyingi zitakujja kwikiriza kubaho mu maiso mu karuhuko ka electoral commission.
hariho abantu abarino batureba hano ya TV West abo kwebuuza akakaruhuka bikarya ko mu mugongo abantu ari nyibibuzi, why should we do this? Of course biri mu eshonga nyingi muno ngabo twakatira umugongo, so abantu nibebuza are we going to have the same omukarura karukwija tija kutera akaruhuko mu mugongo?
Ekyo kibuzo kirungi muno moderator. Hati akarura kamurebera ko mugongo kabaire ka NRM kibinke kibina party ina constitution yayo ina amateka gayo bakagenda basitama basaramu ngakaruru kaba ka party primaries kaza kuba ka kulayinga mugongo kyonka electoral commission akaruru kaitu kona akatwine ka secret ballot kinsita ke kyama tukiza akaruru ko mugongo icyo kureba tuzakora polling station abo ballot boxes, ballot papers tuzakora ininga, hariho social distancing, gusa umuntu kwiraha yitari mugenzi we only akarura kutubasa kwikiriza ko kuza mu mugongo nuko ka LC1 mukakarura mwaka bukoire betakarura kandi ko nakasigira ka electoral commission ka secret ballot kensita ekyama. Yes.
And maybe also before we go to some other person, abantu bebuza electoral commission kitachegesa munonga every time we vote tutunga weaknesses here and there ezikurugomburu ato bururu ko komwandi Patrick yagamba kushanga abantu bito bururu kingana kuti munonga kibanchoreka mwachiro mwechizo. Why not doing enough sensitization?
Okay, the electoral commission I can take some part of the blame. However, mbire bino lebo proire mu kubizire tulengera okurora buli muruka kuwona mu Uganda parish which twita ward buli gombora yona mu Uganda sub county of division tunaye abakozi betu abatatekereyo kati electoral commission igenzere mu maiso yagura ebizindaro megaphones ngezi bakozesa abantu tulenga kusobora abantu baitu kuzikozesa. However, abantu bengi batuntulenga tusobora kora twagenda mu kikalo kyona. Then mureba na TV tubaga TV Western niba radio Western personally tulenga kusomesa abantu kuyaho it's not enough tuzakongera mu amani yese kibagambire tuno buru rwije kuba valid votes nicyoreka ngo abantu baita bakiro bingi abandi batakengere cyo gukora kiro cyo kugera karuru na maybe na funding nayo to suppose kuba tuina abantu bakora civic education, voter education kikaro. So bile bino sanga kibaroho maybe funding nebeta kumara, but at least so far buli muruka bwona buli gombora yona mu Uganda tunaye abakozi beta electoral commission abaherezi b'ebizindaro abasuppose kwamba bata basokora abantu basomese kutera karuru konka kikumara. Then taro sente zikumara rundi taro radio buli kikaro hano sanga rebikaro bisitezi na gata radio tutekaho radio programs usanga abantu bakuzuliriza, tutekaho TV programs ukunda abantu bakuzuliriza, then bateka sente zindi nyinyi mu newspaper print media usanga abantu bakora mu kwamba bakugura newspaper bakugura mukuru batuntulengaho ikizibu tukimanya kiroho abantu tubakwegesebwa kurungi okumara but electoral commission ngaho muno ya kibanise kintu.
Okay, webale mnonga omwami Latif Ngonzi ogunwe returning officer wa district ya Mbarara abuchi tongore electoral commission ekitelekana sakaru tenagaruka omwami Patrick imwenka KRC ekitongore kitwencheje sabanyegando myoga mingi mnonga numwenda kukora mutakureba ngo ubururu bwageza aho kwenda nkomwoga gwanyu nk'ekitongore kitwencheje sabantu numugeza aho mutakwenda kwegesa abantu nangwa na side ndijo ya government kurengo this time round twagira akaruhuka a bit free and fair by avoiding those other issues that happen.
Ati KRC tuine entekanisa iyo kwegesa umukwezi okuhaire tukagenda ha electoral commission twatangatanga na Simon Byabakamba Justice on the same issues we are discussing. How can we effectively have vote education? Twamubuza if you are showing somebody how to tick a ballot paper and this person is illiterate, takumanya kusoma maybe na TV takujireba tajiri noja kumwega soda kandi hano nico kugambira mukuru Latifu nti ubu kujya kurora mu marwaro abantu bakurwara stilo ne bagenda nkaha mu marwaro na covid yakozereki yero na hano mu studio tuijaho tujoireki basizaita abantu bakuchemisanga ha polisi ne bakoraki ne bagenda still there is that interaction. So the officials abali hameruka na hamagombora, they can still follow standard operating procedures. Ne batunga sanitizers, ne batunga face mask, chonka ne basoborora abantu omu smaller groups. Abantu abatejurain smaller groups ne babegesa ngo kubasemeye kutera karuru abo kubano barana bakora display of registers abantu bene kucheckinga amabara gabo bene kucheckinga polling stations barum even na hasaha yo kukoba ba agents beja kuija ne bikara to witness the votes batoso observers ne beja kubabaro kandi abantu ne batera karuru. So tukaikiranganizana na electoral commission ngo smaller groups ezo nisobora kukoraki kugenda maiso chonka tukora standard operating procedures. Mtuwegesa yes koraba mu TV, mturaba mu radio, mtukozesa bakweta IC materials, papura handikirwe, mturaba mu kurato taito abo kuba tuli sazino mu district 10 za Rwenzori region chonka tuli part of a bigger consortium bakweta Civic Education Coalition of Uganda, you covering many parts of the country, kandi tugenzere tuateka another platform ya National Election Observation New Uganda, National Election Watch Uganda. Erumwe butongole bukwingora hankaga kandi that team nija kubane kora observation of the campaign process, the observation of on the day of election. Kumanyangu obuturaba tugambire polling station besahemu zibezikingwire, agents will be there to see at 7 polling station of officials baro obururu bukire ombuire. Nomanya last time obhabireho ebichweke bindi ballot boxes kai sazinga sambukaga sabunan, and indeed abantu bengi bamalira baba frustrated tubakoma. So tukaguringa with the electoral commission ngo when we obutukube bintu bino tubirozire, we don't keep them ntuikara ntubisobora ba electoral commission nuko basobole okuletaho epindu kahinduka babagambira ngo kakuba umuntu bakwata ohimbire bando ya sentinels gaba, you'll be disqualified. Ekaguzo kiri no hakuja kuleta that evidence. So twine ba agents vaingi will spread the communities, we are also encouraging the communities to document and share this evidence. Nkakera si tukozire platform ya online reporting system. Omuntu mbere akali hona na akwata ka message na akasindika nikagenda nikaja mu system ekozirwe map, so nikoleka ekichweka mbere kikozireki mbere kire ida gamba hano abantu barwana hano haba hagaba sente hano cyaba kinu nibatere bisane nibakoraki nibabisindika. Twine an administrator of that system na verifyinga na callinga back kandi na terra abebembezi bekichweki kakuba asanga information is correct, then na gisindika mwabantu bakujalizeho. Hara information ekugenda mu electoral commission, hara information ekugenda mu police and mu adiso and mu RDCs and all of that. So egg system ero ya Rwenzori conflict prevention system abantu ne basobora kugirichinga within by the internet kyonka buli muntu weena bwakuba atungire ekizibu ekikwatagana n'obururu nasobora kusindika eg information kyonka kwija kurora yajyaho our administrator aine kubanza akateera esibu akaverifyinga ngu ndiri gakozereki ngari mazima abakutu tukwetaga omuntu abakubihisuba nabo baje bakoraki babisindika. So haroho enkorate ezindi ezikuba nkotokoto kyonka tuba ntuzikozesa kuraba mu Zoom. What we do ntweta abantu abake nibeja ntubaconnectinga on online internet abaine computer na masimu nibasobora kuliriza ntconnectinga ha radios so that omuntu bworaba nibegesa rundi nibabazaho ensonga ezikwatagana n'obwebembezi n'obururu abantu abakira obwingi nibabona kuliriza. Tongere twateka entekanizo obuharambara kubaho nominations za bebembezi bona LC5 MPs ba councillors n'abandi ndija kuba ntutekaho intercandidate debates abokubegeno chetu ntwetaga ko mugesa abantu ababulikiro bahulirize barole ibitekerezo bya buri mwebembezi nasobora gukora nuko abantu basobore gukora enchwamu eyihikiri. So ezo program ntija kwitandikaho nomination ziramara kuba za electoral commission kandi ntija kuba ntuzirelenga live on TV and radio stations.
To ensure
omutesitesi omukulu yagambe bya nomination nyenda kugambira abakuturora bona abantu baitu bona bakocinga program egi mu nomination is electoral commission independent electoral commission of Uganda zigenda kutandika next week every kwezi abiri na kimu kugarukira every kwezi kibanza ezo nomination za local governments tuna ba district chairpersons city mayors sub county chairpersons district councillors, both the directly elected councillors na abakazi, then tuna sub-county councillors na district special interest groups na sub-county special interest groups kutandika n'ebiro bakwezi abiri na kimu eki nikyo Monday next week paka bwatule bakwezi kibanza. Then afterwards tuja kuwa na nominations za members of parliament bakwezi 12 omwezi ogurikwija. So niraterera abakuturora bona bagambira abantu bona bakwenda kwesimbaho baije kuba nominated a district headquarter buli district headquarter na buli county rundi ha headquarter yisaza nambira bali hona.
Okay, webale mnonga ntwenda kangaho omwami Ezra kache then ntwenda kuza omukahumuro twari gw'omwami Ezra omukahumuro ko ntuza kurugaya ntuza kuba ntukwate simu nkaburijo kandi esimu yitu nija kwa nogitera rero ntunga umisha gukurura entekateka yawe nogira icyo wahabura icyo wayigisa ninga ikindi icyo kwenda kubuza abakuru bizakandi bagaraka omwami Ezra notega yangu tushemeye gukora ki this time round okutunga karungi ako of course ni uko munya Uganda no turanorebe bitwende bigenda kubi this time noteka teko tukunga karura kakahinduka nibihe bindi byo kureba kajote kine cyakorwa kiti tubasabira karuka peaceful.
Well, kugira karuka peaceful ncheta gangu you know habira hariho proposals nyingi ezigumire zikubaho buri kutunga either lekanga the presidential elections every time kutukutera omwebembezi wihanga kagu nikamarira kazangahe omukoti okay kandi kukakuza mu court netekaho observations and recommendations ezitushamirire kuba actually many times nziba recommended to electoral commission is taking up nuko tubasha kubona akaburu kari free and fair but also credible. Kongani nyenda kugambira ngo kwikaneri zo ezezi recommendations zicagumiranga ine kureba ngo zakora ki zaba taken up. So ninyenda kongera hira again today ngo observations zibagenze ni bagamba for example many times ni independent electoral commission. I think it is about article 63 of the constitution. But what happens no shangangu ntujirangi independent but not independent in some extent. Nonyategereza abo kugira ngo still niba bakiripotinga directly uwo mwebembezi w'ihanga kandi icyo shanga ngo nikiretaho erosion y'ejo independence. So twenda ngo tube tureba an independent electoral commission ekukora imirimo yayo hatariho kugira ngo yabona bagitahatahamo, or it can stand on the law that establishes it kugira ngo yadefendinga ibyo bintu byone byo kuba nekora konke cyakandi neco kugira ngo of course to stepping up voter education yabe takayikira ha buri muntu wena akajihurira kikaba nka way of life ntuza kugumiza mu still tugume tureba ebintu bimwe ebitashemeriye abo habwaje abo kugira ngo na for example twantugamba ngo umuntu naza kutera akaburu noza kamwereka ngo nakatera akabox kakalingana k'icyo kitabu akakatera karabaho ako nikaba kira kaburu nikaba kafa konkashi yashanga ngo araka harwekisani cha Latifu harwekisani cha Mzindiki harwekisani cha Ezra waka akahurira ngo bona nabintu so nashara mubona akorachi abahati ako nikaba kachibya kaburu ako nikaba kakorachi nikaba kafa. So for me I think ngo voter education nekintu kitwetaga no hariho abantu okwenda kugambira omubyaro tibakamanyire ko kutera ki akabura konka still hariho n'ekindi kintu actually cyonkwenda ngaruke ngo omu processes ezo zo kutera akabura to making sure ngo twatekaho emitendera yo kureba nga abantu people living with disability the elderly twabateraho oburyo bwo kugira ngo bayanguhirwaho bani bija koraki tera akabura. Nyanda kora observation ngo mukabura kahwira akakapate primary hine pate eyatireho emitendera nkejo hina polling stations nyozi navistinjire oshanga hariho mukikuru bamuteza layini aruhire asitamo mu binyansi abandi babyamo mu binyansi but because they want to do what nibenda ngo batere ki akaruru na ninyanda kushaba electoral commission ngo mukarura kakarukwisha people with disability the elderly babatereho emitendera yo kugira ngo kubarije bakore ki barabukirwa gukora ki okutera akaruru. Otherwise we seem to be missing many people. I want to tell you was kurira ngo abantu binji babakikuru n'abazee tibizire kutera ki akaruru. So we seem like to bachinja okutija gukora ki exercising their civil and political rights.
Okay, wabari mnonga omwami Ezra kukiyagamba of course electoral commission yone notinga uko twine returning officer hanuya omwami Latif echo nikikuru mnonga kugira ngo abantu batakachanga kiri burdensome kigumire mnonga kuzafutera ka it should be easy for people to vote. Rero tumura ukache mnonga bitu twenda kusigire simu iyo ratero twarwo mukahumuro waheza kutera simu noza kubuza ahabitwagamba haha ninga shikugire cyo wahabura uke kinaka kwate na numara mu gutugumira tugamba isimu yitu ya TV West ni not 92 ashatu ni 5 ashatu nemo waheza kutera simu yeje yaheza kurabamo ukendeze volume yawe noza kwikanogambe teka yawe amazina gawe nico wakwenda twiza kutandikira kwata amasimu ganyu twaza kumura ukache onganye ndakwefasize ngesimu not chena ni birasha 5 ashatu nemo katumureho twiza garuka nebuzo byanyu
Nehida
When you want watch Premier League on GoTV, you know what you want. You want passionate stars and fans. And of course, relentless city rivalries. Yes, you want unpredictable football. And this new football season, we're serving it to you on a shiny new platter with our revamped SuperSport channels, including your home of Premier League action, SuperSport Football, Channel 31. Get and stay connected to GoTV for football worth watching. GoTV. Live it, love it.
Amaravara gange nyo Asman Mugisa. Ninyikara mchenjo town ndi makanika pikipiki, generator, motoka. Wiki vile zoire nkazana bakantere esimo bangamba nzane super 5 na koma mu number 5 yampe milioni 2 nyonagira ne babiha cyamanyisa ngo super 3 na super 5 byamazime byokora biriyo tibiri biso cyo nabweke nindagira nanyo abantu abanywani banga abakundora mugende mu maiso no kuzana super 3 na super 5 yamazima tekubiya.
Diagnosed have early onset Alzheimer's disease before they reach 65 years old.
Wow, that was great.
Thank you. I'm done with men, and you know that. Never again.
Okay, Joanna, please.
I already told you.
Joanna, I'm not planning anything. Promise.
Nakalipas pagmamahal na ba'y walang saysay pagpilitin man hindi magbab.
Nehida
twagaruka tutyo ahambeho kandi program ekiri ya KRC ryo ntugamba hanshonga nyingi mnongo zikwate nakaruru aho kaciri mu season ya karuru Vincent Mujurus kandi abakora b'umena bo mu studio bakiri aha bazagaruka mebuzo kwa kwanda kutera isumu note chenda ni 2 ashatu ni 5 ashatu nemwe niyo sumu yitu roza kuba nogira ecyuwa habura atwagambaho ninga shicho wayongera ninga sho kubuza kwawe watesumye yanera bamu teresumu chendeza volume yawe kwenda kuya mu noise then ugamba amazina gawe nayo watera tandikiraho nenda kutandikiraho tarushisha bwire hello note 2 note chenda ni 2 ashatu ni 5 ashatu nemo hello Hello. Mpenda kuba tulinzira amasomo abo kuba mpenda kutunga nteka yanyu sides zombi tukacengana. Hello. Not chenda ni 2 ashatu ni 5 ashatu. Yesu nitu yumwabazi yo kubasa. Hello. Amazina nayo waterera. Douglas wanu utesa ki?
Ejira ya kuba kubuza basaba mu meji. Obo umuntu tureba yo kukukukuka bero kwana na na tira ya kuta kula wo umuntu ya kuta kula kile. Ila ndoto ni naba kwa ndio kwa Mwana kwenda mtoto na kaangale.
Yeba hesebo. Nahuramisho ya akaruko businje. Njyana kwa kwenda. Wabare mnonga Douglas ogoya na terra kanungu wabare kureba TV West na program yetu. Hello. Hello. wasibota amazina nayo waterera chendeza volume ya TV turuzane gikurunje tutwabasa kuruzana hari distortion cyo nagambe watere simu yaraba chendeze bino tayenda kwehurura akwecho nziza kumaraho impuruzangana. Hello. Sebo wasibota. Wewe rumya buwezo hano utesota.
Nani nyangena aba uteni tongo. Kwa mtawangu watasimsi gani kwa ajili mrongo wanu kiinyo mabasi kibikana. Ya kwa nani watakuja kwa sababu nani ndio ndio kwa mnani intensa. Ya wakwa akan berita di ompat kiri kanan mno. Ya segala kita satu komsika tangka tunggu.
Babare mnonga omwama himsibwe na urayaja nguharmu akasindikine mukaruru. Yes. Webare kandi intensa twajurra bija kugarukamo. Katwacireyo abandi bantu nka bashatu wateraga amazina nayo watera ikibuzo cyawe cendeza kure. Hello.
Amazina mtuminaji ya da report.
Yes.
Amazina mtuminaji ya Mtoma.
Yeba yo Mtoma.
Akarurata watu kwa karibu. Abantu bagiye kumabindi bw'ibyo.
Yes.
Kuhanga abantu batera amazu.
Kare mazima webare umunyamtoma Albert. Webare tenso tuyagamba sente zibiri mu karuru. Najya ngo barakwate ne sente bamukome. Hello. Not even not chena ni birasha tunitana shatu nemwe. Ijo niyo sumeyo kwasa kurabiraho. Gire cyo wahabura ninge cyo wabuze. Hello.
Hello.
Wasibota sebo.
Na sibaje so.
Amazina nayo waterera.
Amazina ni Tulumu Gerard.
Gerard no gamba ki?
Yekiranye ndagamba. Wawe ryo mwebendo zo kare abantu bakuru kirawe cyo takugiruko. Niwe enkora ya rushenye kamere y'abantu bareba rushenye twagurire twaza mubegera.
Kare webare mnonga Gerard. Kajya ngo uyu mwemezo kare abantu bakurihire. Abonye takubirugaho. So yajya ngo rushenye njyayo sha nikikozere tingmanya. Mbwenu katwate umuntu omwenka wa muheru tuzagaruka tugaruka. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Nyabo wasibota.
Asibota sebo.
Amazina nayo watera n'ikibuzo cyawe.
Amazina yameta Aneti Makamo.
Webare Aneti.
Tatera. Uri buganga wa distance. Uri ati no esinde sarante kumbanga.
Ya, nichi.
Uri kakangu tabutawuse.
Akabayuki.
Akabayo ati asimagane station gona karasire. Konka oya abantu sindiro ahamuru daramwomba aranga. Ekenge tisakre teatro amazigara tuona abahagizibele. Kandi kwabye ndaye naye kurukakare muzeri naye makatamkanaye. Wakazulu wamsama ushukuru omofu ndara registra.
Yes, okay.
Apete sisi kakanta kakanta tukatwaza kuni. Wawecho. Mwendezo tunasima kwa kumunda na wapenzi mwende.
Webare mnonga Aneti webare ntesa yawe twakusima kandi ekitenzo cyo twacurura actually point yawe twagitunga abatera amasimu nimwe bare mnonga katugaruke mu studio omwami Latif arwana gamba karu kar peaceful. I think electoral commission, how do you want to?
I think electoral commission, independent electoral commission of Uganda. Ninyenda abantu batunge mbaganiza electoral commission ezindi za parties zebina. NRM in electoral commission yayo, FDC in electoral commission yayo, NAP in electoral commission yayo, batanya ningamba hali electoral commission, independent electoral commission ya Uganda. Ntwenda kukakasa no kugumya abana Uganda bona. Muntu tujja kulenga mulundi ogwo kulaka lukaitu kale peaceful kandi kalenga kwa free and fair. Nubwo mulimo gwito mukuru kulanga abana Uganda twabahereza karuru akale free and fair kandi kemirembe. Ekyo nyenda kusibakakasa. Ebyo byo kurwana tukujja kubikiriza. Tujja kukoragana hamwe na police, Uganda Police Force. Tulina ba constables betu abali polling station yona. At least akaruru ka electoral commission kali more organized kira abuno bururu obwere bwa parties.
Hariho aneto wanahendera twena twamuhura ukayagambe ikintu cyo muntu kusinga bakarangira wasingwa declaring the loser. Yaje ngo kinteki tukirebe mwe kitagaruka kubaho.
Ibyo bintu birabera mu party primaries nyenda kwakakasa mu electoral commission tukabasa umuntu obururu bwaitu bwa secret ballot mbasumura ballot box mu open abantu bana bambagireba nibabusesa hansi nibavara nibareba no hasingira obururu and then a polling station baza kwa bamanya no hasingira obururu tokabasa kurangira omuntu wasingwa mu wasingira.
Omwami Patrick, hariho agamba chesente, maybe talk about money elections.
Ati kintu kya sente tuguli murundi gwo kubanza ikintu ekikwije okukoma okuhaire kuona sente zitani zikozesebwa kandi abantu babaire nibaziruka amabara gatari gamu na gamu abandi bazigaba bagamba kyamusana abandi bagita transport abandi bagita facilitation different names sente zibaire zikoraki nibazigaba kyonka hariho zino sente ezitubaire nturora hasaha yokukoma omuntu nibamutangana genda okoma mukaruru wakahoire omuntu bamugambaga ngo kwizire esimu zino ya kamera ngo genda otikinge mu box otere kisani akaruru otire olete kisani yeke otunge 15,000 nokero so nikamanyisaka ngo barane bagamba omuntu agenda atikinge mu box already bali ne bamanaginga akaruru na sente okendo te umara kutero leta bwa kaiso ngunkome ukesente eche kintu ni nakugambire kiro habute mara no bunako yone bagora sente zingana you see habokuba omuntu owabulikiro kutunge 15 nosanga nikimutwara wiki rundi weeks obwakuzerora nakirora kintu kyamani muno in fact kakuba bebimbezi bakuzera na amani n'abantu babulikiro ngo omuntu akatunga entasya ekumumara government taha inentekaniza ya operational wealth creation. If all households had income nikimanyisa ngo the price of the vote would go high. Mukikaro chukuletire 15 oredo zini. Mukacho kwemtwale 2 oredo kozire ozini. So oli arakugora na sente zinga. Choka bukigambo chubutemara eki kizibu cha manu muno. Now, hano no electoral commission in the challenge ya manu muno. It is true abantu abakwesimba nabaja kukwesa sente abukuba all elections zino zaba MPs obukuja kurora petitions za kozerwe obukurora by elections za bayiro evidence ya vote baribari akaparaki yakaba What does it mean? Ngu obturaba tugamba independent electoral commission harumorso some level of compromise. Latif no baranatina kevaz. First of all, the appointing authority now is a candidate. The one who appointed the commissioners. You get it? But at the same time, of recent Okarora, what came out? The chairperson, electoral commission, yeja statement yagamba. The key officials, the public relations, the secretary general of procurement, ngubo bakenda kuretayaringa ale retirement. Bakasaba bakirizibwa mberagira bukuba the entitled. Chonga basaba mubwire bwo bururu kana bakabataka kabazaho. Hata bera aho pokoze kwiko kakiri. President yagamba nuwo yakozereke yabashakingira because of corruption. Now, yes, hati obukuja kurora the president's action, but at the same time what the chairperson electoral commission statement ya hairi kaguzo kiri, are you still independent? If you can come and lie, already the head of state says I'm the one who sacked, but for you come and say no, these people expressed themselves and they wanted early retirement. So these are signs which can also bring some fears in some candidates. Okay, if I contest freely and my opponent uses money, beats people, and fights with the electoral commission as a referee, does it have the power? Example, ngamba opposition tebagikiriza kuija haredi bagiclosing, they stop them. What is the electoral commission doing if it is independent? What machinery? In fact, we discussed some of these issues, and the challenge was, at least for police has tear gas, has weapons they can enforce. Electoral commission, they also stop at lamenting. Yes, because even when you bring out some of these scenarios, they cannot come to say, we remove the police, go and start it. Because the government has three major arms. You have the executive, you have the judiciary, you have the legislature. So all other agencies, they execute the mandates of these three arms. So it is quite challenging. I know the situation they are in, but this one should not make all of us lose hope. The people of Uganda should know what they want. I can tell you, if the 18 million Ugandans stood by what they wanted, they come in big numbers, they cast the vote for the leaders they want, they protect the vote, and the electoral commission doesn't deliver materials late, and no one is staffing. In some instances, somebody would bring more ballot papers and they put them in the ballot boxes. And the tallying is done very well. I believe there is a ray of hope. Even in some situations you have seen opposition candidates have won, that is an opportunity that tells you that yes, even under these circumstances, the people of Uganda can still vote for leaders of their choice and they will be proud of them.
Okay, wewe mnonga omwami Patrick na nyendaga ko omwami Ezra akagambo ka muhero tukagenda ntwende.
Okay, akagambo ka muhero nyoni njirangu ekinte cha sente. And the nagambiro article 59 ya constitution. Konka sub article 4 negambaho parliament ngeshemerire kubanete ko mu nkora ebiragire ebishemerire kuba nibireta uburinganisa no kubasisa abantu kure ngo batera jakabu. So what am I saying? Parliament egaruke mu omunanka omu house bakore ekiragiro ekikujumirira enkozesa ya sente mu bwire bw'akazi kandi ninyenda amalirize nti omushaija mukuru nka KRC twina toll free line egi toll free line omuntu wabo gym noteera otakucharginga sente nayaba nangwa eshiringi nyenda kugishomera abantu ngo wareba anything to do with voter violation, voter bribery, voter staffing, double voting, double all those vices. Iwe okwate gesimu ogitere omuntu naza kukwakira otugambira hori n'eki wareba n'eki kukorera. This is a strengthening mechanism eya nanka Patrick abe yatugambireho ya online to detect and prevent. So enarmanage noti munana noti emwe ishatu itano ishatu kandi garuke mu gwa muhero noti munana noti emwe ishatu itano ishatu mwebali mnonga.
Okay, webali mnonga omwami Ezra oguno bamweta ni Gaba H Ezra program manager wa KRC omwami Patrick rugambo kwa kamwe
nka KRC nabasobora nti twinentekaniza yukubaza ntwija ntwegesa ha TV West program wendi nija kuba eroho kiro kya sande hasaha 12 kugarukira saha emwe ntija kwija tunge tusoboreho ebintu bikwatagana na karuru kandi wikegeze kujya zona ntija kuba tuneho program nabweki ntija kugumizamo ntwegesa choke kurucha biona ntwetaga akaruru akali peaceful free and fair imbere omuntu omunya Uganda asobole kumanya buli mwebembezi buli kitebe kine ntekaniza ekusaneta kandi abantu basobora kukoma ekitebe kibarakwetaga umwebembeza akwetaga owakuja kubahereza kumara emyaka 5 2021 2026 obora koma kubi ekumanyisa ogo mwebembezi noja kwikara nawe mpaka emyaka 5.
Okay, mwebali mnonga ogunwa mweta omwamuzinduki Patrick Deputy Executive Director awa KRC mwebali mnonga kwija omwami Latif
wote bino kutesitesi wa program nyowe cyange ninyongera kwijukya abatezi baitu bakaruru kutandika na Monday next week ebiro kweza bina kimu bayije kubacunchuramu kweta nomination ha district headquarter na buli saza liona batebwa information is wealth tuna kubamanyisa ngo abati abarabire mu karuru ka NRA mu karuru ka FDC batagira ngo that's the end of the story tuna nomination is the Electoral Commission of Uganda tutandika Monday ebiro kweza bina kimu kwica ebiro kwezi kibanza ekabikumi
webali mnonga oguno mwami Latif Ngonzi returning officer wa Electoral Commission of District Yambara webali mnonga nibo gumire nareba program eji kurugo twatandika inyuma ho twakora program eji shahemwe kandi turiyo ntukusibura ntwesiga ngwine cyuiha ombi abakura babarigisa kandi mwa batera amasimu mwebale abo kwa mwahabura mwahereze eshonge zikubakwataho kandi teka ngo twena hamwe tubasa kuhindura imbere y'ituturamo twabasa gukora ebyo ebisheme gukora tukiriyo mbwire bwa coronavirus cyo kureba tujire masks twena tubashabo kongera kuratira ebiragiro bishitongore cy'amagara kandi okiringa ndwareji ombi turakora byono tiri muno kutera karuru tugume tuyishwa ngo hakire ndwareji tutakabasa kuzabira ubundi katwata akateine mbazi nimbasima abo kureba TV tumbeleze birungi tuzakongera kurebana nyensha kari abagenyi bitumwe bari kwija n'ubundo butosha mwe mwije mwegise abanyuganda murare kurungi mukama bari
Nehida
Digita Super 3 Erizoba obasa kuzana jackpot senyini kandi obuzanguhe otafero mugisha okusingura miliyoni 34 Sandage a super jackpot show imata star M85 star isha hash a Airtel Ninga star M5 star isha ari MTN kasi amwe namba zawe ishatu ezo mugisha okuraseho TVW eka mu muhendo gwa kurugashije rukume kikame tware 5 bure seje kumaza kuzana niziko mugisha okusingura redirect ticket ekutasha mu super jackpot show
Super free.
Nehida, 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 Nehida.
Hello there and welcome to Focus on Africa, coming to you from BBC World News. Well, first today, a new law has taken effect in Kaduna State in northern Nigeria. With the governor's assent, surgical castration or the death penalty is now allowed for anyone convicted of raping a child under the age of 14. The State Assembly voted to approve the punishment last week. The move follows growing public outrage over rape across the country, and the figures relating to sexual violence nationwide are pretty grim viewing. Now, according to the police, between January and May of this year, there were over 700 rape cases reported in the country. That's one rape every 5 hours over a 5-month period. And there were only the reported cases. Of these 700 cases, around 600 actually made it to court. But so far, listen to this, there haven't been any convictions. And that's despite a series of high-profile rape cases in recent months, which led to street protests over the extent of sexual violence against women and young girls. Well, our reporter Isha Khalid has more detail on this new law from Abuja.
There have been outcry and campaigns against rape across Nigeria, not only in Kaduna State, and governors across the 36 states of the country recently declared a state of emergency.